Welcome, good people. Today I'll be reviewing Bloocys Ico. You may want to wonder what is this all about. Well, this is going to be expert at your fingertips. You're going to have access to different experts. Take for instance, there's someone maybe from Ghana who speak Twi and who understand the language very well. But there's also someone from United States who want to learn the language. Now, he needs an expert, a native speaker. Now, this platform, the both of them registered, and the person from United States who want to learn Twi, we have access to the native speaker who is in Ghana to be able to learn. Now, the person who is giving the information, who is teaching Twi from Ghana, gets rewarded for spending his or her time in teaching people. You need different experts on travels. You want to know more about education or different aspects of life. They are experts who know about these things and who can teach you. Now, most of us turn to Google and different search engine for information, but one thing we are never sure it is the authenticity of what we are checking. We don't know if those people who are giving the information, the bloggers or whatever, are giving genuine information, if they are experts in what they are claiming they are. But on this platform, everyone will have an ID. There's going to be a check to confirm that the person who is giving the information, who is the so-called expert, is really an expert. And that is really interesting. If I encourage you to watch this video, and it tells you a lot about what this platform is all about. And here I said the token sales stage, the pre-sale start from September 2018, which has been, and once you see exactly the token symbol is 15 cents, and the public sale will start in December. That's going to be 20 cents for one CYX. And you can see here, be your own boss, earn money, impact others. Yeah, so let's scroll down more. You can see the demo version, how the website is going to be like. Our expert will be giving videos, giving information to people. And you can see this like they have John is an Indonesian language teacher and he lives in Australia. He wants to improve Indonesian language skills, but he has never been to Indonesia. John needs expert services from a native Indonesian speaker who can also speak English well, so he can teach Indonesian in school. However, John is very busy and does not know anyone in Indonesia. Now, Budi lives in Surabaya. He has a Master of Indonesian Linguistics and is also a lecturer in one of the local universities. Buddhists want to teach more people about Indonesian language, culture, and at the same time earn extra income. So the both mix together, and Budi gets rewarded for that. That is really interesting. So this is the roadmap. Because it's the roadmap, project initiations and token sale, the white paper and all of them, all of that. You can see. You can see different pictures and updates where they've been, and this lets you know that this whole idea is real. You can see the team member one after another here. So I'm really bullish about this ICO. Matono, Satyawan, Charles Joseph, Susan Kisu, Swanton, all of them are involved in this project. They are the team member, and you can see the advisors here one after another. And these are the partner: Binus University, Raja Jobs, Pineapple Tech, Blockchain Innovation Center, and the rest. Now, as I've said, CYX is a token symbol. This is built on ERC20 token, so it is an Ethereum blockchain token. The soft cap is 5 million. That is the amount they really want to raise, the minimum they must raise to proceed on this project. And the hard cap, the real goal is 40 million US dollars, and they accept Ethereum. Okay, let's go to the white paper. The white paper is 48 page, beautiful, well put together with a lot of pictures and all of that. So as I've always, I encourage you to go through the white paper, check it one after another. It opens your wide open more about the project, let you know more about what they offer. And ICO Bench 4.5 rating, and they are based in Singapore, and you need a KYC, you need to get whitelisted. And if you are from USA, you cannot be involved in this ICO. Let's check the Telegram. 16,800 members. Wow, that's good. I'm sure before December this number, yeah, should increase. So my final thought: Bloocys ICO. I think to me it's a great project. It's a great idea, and I believe it should do well. So I'm leaving the link of this ICO down below. You can sign up for this ICO. Thank you for watching my video, but before you go, please subscribe to my channel, show me some love, and hit the notification bell so that when I bring more video, you'll be among the first to watch my video. I love you a million times. Thank you very much. Thank you.